I will be honest, I'm not sure exactly what time it is. It kind of feels like morning, it might be afternoon. Manila's a fun place, but in all honesty, there's not really much to do that's kind of exciting. So now we're on our way on a 45-minute flight south down to Legazpi. Now my vlogging starts. Flight.
They won't serve it as good as flight.
How you doing, David?
David has refused to talk to me.
Rick hasn't slept.
Man, look at the kuya. He gets a whole
100 hours.
Himself. Yep.
Let's go. Home sweet home. If it were daytime, right behind me here, you would see the volcano Mayon. And it still smokes. Little comic book volcano, perfect cylindrical shape. Goes from like sea level to 8,000 feet, just like that. This airport is so small that it's only got one little conveyor belt. It looks like this. That's it. But this wonderful lady I've just met at the airport, and she is phenomenal. You pierced Anna's ears for the first time. I know. We go away.
How is she?
Now Anna's very happy because she doesn't have to see a girl without earrings. The best part about what's happening right now is that, as you know, I used to live here in Legazpi, and I wasn't vlogging at the time, so now I get to do another run of my kind of second home. And so we're staying here at the Oriental Hotel. It's the kind of the nicest hotel in the province, which is not saying much, to be honest. It still is very nice. Hey, this'll do. Right, so you must understand that this area is very familiar to me. I spent a large portion, or what felt like a large portion of my life here. Oh, someone's at the door. I don't have the Wi-Fi password. I'm busy recording, man, you rude.
Never mind.
So it's all very familiar. I have good friends here. Tonight I'm going into work. We have a call center here, and it's really boring stuff. But tomorrow is where the fun is. Tomorrow we're traveling to Donsol. Donsol is where all the whale sharks are. I'm gonna sign out tonight, and the next you'll see me is tomorrow morning. So peace. 3 hours of sleep. Is it worth it?
Hells yeah.
Look at that thing. It is amazing. It's huge and still smoking and crazy looking volcano. Oscar, where are we going, bro?
I have no idea.
Finish the food in your mouth first. We're going to Donsol, and there's whale shark diving there. It's so messy. Look at it. Donsol is about an hour's drive away, and it's around these windy roads that feed over the mountain. We arrived in Donsol, not much here. We are just gonna go try and find a whale shark. There's no guarantee that you will find one. I really hope we do. Let's find a boat. Hey John, have you ever eaten a whale shark?
Calm down. He's joking.
I am? Alright, so they've allowed me up into the spotter section. Try and look for these bad boys. Kinda hairy. Ah! And what they're saying is you gotta look for the big kind of shadow in the water. That was amazing! Well guys, that was almost getting knocked over by a boat. That was phenomenal.
That was awesome.
Well, that was an experience of a lifetime. You don't understand how huge they are, up to like 30 feet. And it's very intimidating. I'll never forget that. That's definitely one of the bucket list ticked. We're heading over now to a coral reef just on the shore around here, and hopefully see some beautiful things, just have a bit of a chilled out vibe. There are moments in your life where you take a mental note, a mental picture, and this was one of those. I mean, this is part of the reason why I do these vlogs, is to record these amazing experiences that I've had. And it's really hard to put into words how amazing those creatures are, and just what a great time we've had here. It's just beautiful. We're just gonna finish off by eating some local Filipino cuisine and just sign off. And Oscar, just say,
that was amazing.
if you like this vlog,
Like, share, subscribe.
thanks guys, thanks for watching, peace out, or salamat po.